All right, so Santa Coin is this new crypto. It's absolutely exploding in popularity these days. If we go over to CoinGecko, we can see that it's one of the top 1,000 rated cryptocurrencies on the platform. I personally am a largely unintelligent pleb that has no idea what I'm doing when it comes to cryptocurrency. So I'm not recommending you to buy this crypto by any means, but I wanted to throw a little bit of funny money into this cryptocurrency, see if it does anything just for fun. Again, this is not an endorsement of the project. I have done very little research other than a quick search on CoinMarketCap and a quick Google Trends search. So that is the extent of my research. I'm not endorsing this project. If it's a scam and I lose all my money, so be it. I'm not putting anything on the line that I'm not willing to lose. So all of those disclaimers out of the way, this video is going to show you exactly how to buy Santa Coin if you want to. I just went through this entire process myself. It was a bit complicated, so I wanted to provide ideally a simple resource that'll show people exactly how to purchase the coin if they do want to do so. Again, not a recommendation. I think this thing is probably going to zero. All that out of the way, how do you actually buy the coin? Well, what you're going to need to do is use something called PancakeSwap. Okay, and PancakeSwap is an exchange that's going to allow you to transact different cryptocurrencies on the Binance Smart Chain network. So the end game here is that we are going to get some BNB tokens and we're going to exchange those BNB tokens for Santa coins, okay? But there's a lot of things that need to happen before we're able to actually do that. So the first step is we need to actually acquire some cryptocurrency, which we can then convert into BNB tokens. Now, because I'm located in the United States, it's not as simple of a process to just convert US dollars into BNB tokens. So what I prefer to do is go USD to Ethereum, Ethereum to BNB. Might sound a bit complicated. It's actually very, very easy. Also, personal recommendation to have a VPN on during this entire process. If you are located in the United States, I'll have my personal recommendation in the description below, along with a 49% off coupon. So now that you've got your VPN running, the first step is going to be to acquire some cryptocurrency. Like I said, Ethereum is my go-to option. How you're going to do that? Personally, we've got a ton of different options. I use Gemini. It's one of the largest and most reputable exchanges. So how you can access that is there's a link in the description below. It's going to get you $10 worth of free Bitcoin if you do choose to use that link. Now, once you press get started and go through the sign up process, it's going to take you to your dashboard, which looks something like this. Now, from here, what you're going to do is purchase some Ether. So you're going to go hover over Ether, press view details. You'll press buy, how often, once, how much, however much Ether you want to buy. Say you want to buy $100 worth, don't check that box. Press continue. You'll have to add a bank or debit card. So debit card is going to be a bit faster. Bank's going to be a bit more affordable in terms of fees. I prefer bank. You'll go into bank, select whichever bank you want to use. Let's say you have Chase Bank, and then you'll just sync your Chase account to your Gemini account. At that point, you'll be able to back out here and go to payment method. Select your payment method. In this case, I've got a US bank checking account. We'll press confirm. And then pretty shortly, you will be able to go back to your dashboard here and see that your Ether has settled in your account. As you can see by this chart, I recently transferred out all of my Ether in order to buy some of that Santa coin. So that's why there's nothing in my account at the moment. But from here, you should ideally have some Ether in your Gemini account. Now, the next step is going to be to convert that Ether into BNB. Now, in order to do that, you're going to have to set up something called MetaMask. And MetaMask is basically the industry standard cryptocurrency wallet that you can download in your browser. So just go to metamask.io. You'll see this little fox guy. You'll press download now, and it's going to download this little Chrome extension for you right up here in the corner, which is going to be a wallet where you will hold your Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. As you can see, I've just got some random stuff in here right now. Now, once you've got that set up, what you're going to need to do is add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet, okay? Because by default, your MetaMask wallet is set up to use the Ethereum mainnet network, okay? So you're using the Ethereum network. But in order to transact on PancakeSwap, okay, on PancakeSwap, you need to be using the Binance Smart Chain network, okay? And so you can add that to your MetaMask by going here and pressing custom RPC. Okay, it looks like this, Binance Smart Chain mainnet. That's what you're looking for. You won't have that. You have to add that through custom RPC. Now, to get the information that you need to actually add to set this up, so you click on custom RPC, you need all of this information to add a new network, okay? So how do you get that information? Well, if you just Google connect MetaMask to Binance, you'll see this first option here comes from academy.binance.com. You'll click in here, you'll scroll down, and you'll see all the information you need to connect yourself to the Binance Smart Chain network, okay? So again, within MetaMask, you're going here, you're pressing Ethereum mainnet, you're going to custom RPC, you're going network name, boom, right here, Smart Chain. And then you're just repeating all of that for everything here, enter it in here, press save. And then once you do that, it'll show up right here as Binance Smart Chain mainnet. It won't have anything in here. It'll just say 0 BNB. That's how you know you set it up correctly. If it says 0.00 BNB, that's how you know you've got it set up correctly. Now, what you have to do is convert your Ethereum on Gemini to BNB on MetaMask, okay? And so it's a pretty simple process to do that. How you're going to do it is by using a platform called SimpleSwap, okay? And so if you go to simpleswap.io or just search for SimpleSwap, you'll come to this page. And this is going to allow you to convert your Ethereum on Gemini to BNB on MetaMask. How do you do that? Well, you come in here and obviously you want to swap from Ethereum, okay? You're swapping your Ethereum to BNB. And see, there's two options here. Make sure you pick the BSC or Binance Smart Chain option. If you pick this one, you're going to lose all of your crypto, so don't do that. Go here, Binance Smart Chain. What you're going to do here then is pick how much Ethereum you want to send over to your Binance Smart Chain wallet. So for this example, we'll just say we want to send over 0.03 Ethereum over to Binance Smart Chain. You can see this is the conversion rate. And then what you need to do is get your recipient address. So to get your address, go back to MetaMask, make sure Binance Smart Chain is selected, and then copy to clipboard this wallet address up here. Then paste that down here, make sure it matches, press exchange, wait for it to load. And for some reason it's not working right now, but I just completed a transaction that looks something like this. So when you press exchange on that previous page, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. The waiting status here will be highlighted in blue. The rest of these will be in white. And what you're going to need to do is copy the Ethereum address right here. It's going to say copy this address. Then you're going to take that address and you're going to paste it into Gemini, because what you're doing here, you're sending your crypto from Gemini over to SimpleSwap, and then SimpleSwap is sending that BNB to your MetaMask wallet. So this is kind of like the intermediary, the middleman, okay? So going back to Gemini here, you're going to go to transfer. You're going to withdraw from Gemini. You're going to select your currency, which is going to be Ethereum in this case. I don't have any Ethereum in my account, so it's not going to work. But let's just say I did. Pretend this is Ethereum. You're going to paste in the destination here. It's going to give me an error because it's not a valid Bitcoin address. It's a valid Ethereum address, but you won't get that error. You'll press continue. For amount, you're just going to copy and paste this amount that you specified over on SimpleSwap. So just copy that in, paste it down here and enter amount. You'll complete the withdrawal. It'll send a text verification code to your number, which you'll need to enter in on your screen to confirm the transaction. At that point, the funds will be sent to SimpleSwap. Then it will move status from waiting to confirm it. Could take about 5 minutes for this process to complete, but eventually this is going to complete. The whole bar is going to fill up blue as it is here. It'll say your exchange was completed. And then when you go onto your MetaMask account in Binance Smart Chain, you'll see that that BNB has been deposited. Now at this point, the last and final step is to use this BNB in order to purchase some Santa coin over here on PancakeSwap. So we're just going to refresh the page here, and then it'll say connect wallet. So you press connect wallet. You press MetaMask, it'll load up here, and we'll see our BNB balance reflected right here. Boom, 0.179. We'll pull up MetaMask, 0.1792. Wonderful. Okay, so all of that has been updated, and we can now go ahead and purchase some Santa coin. But we are not going to find Santa coin in this list. What we're going to have to do is add it in ourselves, because it's a small coin. It's not like listed on PancakeSwap. You have to add the address yourself. How do you do that? Well, if you go to Santa coin on CoinGecko, you'll see that contract address right up here. You'll press copy. We'll come back here to PancakeSwap. You can see I've already added this, but you'll just add it in here. It'll say Santa. You'll click on it, and then boom, you'll be able to purchase some Santa coin. Now, one thing you'll have to watch out for is by default, the slippage is going to be set to 0.5, which is very low because Santa coin is not a very large currency. The market cap is pretty small. The volume's not that big. You're going to need to adjust this slippage tolerance. Personally, for me, I had to move it all the way up to 20% before the transaction went through. As you can see, if it's set to 0.5 and we press swap, confirm swap, we're going to get this error, insufficient output amount. You basically need to keep raising the slippage tolerance until that error goes away. For me, like I said, I had to go all the way up to 20%. You might be able to get lower than that, but for me, that's as high as I had to go just because this coin is very small, like I said. So you definitely want to be careful here. Don't put any money into Santa coin that you cannot afford to lose. So once you have set that slippage tolerance high enough, the transaction has gone through, you'll be able to go into MetaMask, under Binance Smart Chain mainnet, scroll down, and you can see your Santa showing up right there. At this point, you're all set, and if at any point you want to sell your Santa, you'll just do the opposite process here within MetaMask. You'll just swap it, so you're selling your Santa for BNB likely, you'll go ahead and make that swap and then cash out. So believe it or not, that is the easiest way to buy Santa coin. Could seem a little bit convoluted if you're not too familiar with the world of cryptocurrency. I know it definitely took me a little bit to figure it out, but since I went through the process myself, wanted to share that with you guys. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to sign up for Gemini or ExpressVPN using the links in the description below, get yourself some free Bitcoin and some bonuses. That would really help out the channel as well. If you have any questions about this process, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.